President of the PPP Philippines Corporation to award the medals to the winner. The bronze medalist, Marlon Buihan from Ifugao. And Joseph Martin of Misamis Oriental. Silver medalist from Zamboanga City, Jasper Lim. And the gold medalist, member of the national team from Misamis Oriental, Jonathan Polosan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Moai National Championship 2009 medalist.